light is fading fast. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, is that too bright? That's gonna have to do. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Roni. If you didn't know that, I hate saying my own name. Sounds weird. And today, today I'm going to a Halloween party and I have not prepared, and I've got to be gone in about half an hour. Oopsies. So I want something quick, easy. I don't know why I'm trying to get comfortable on my chair like this. I want something quick, I want something easy, and we're going to be outside a lot. So I want to be able to wear my onesie. So I'm going to go as a cat. I've already moisturised my face. I did that a few minutes ago, and I am just going to go in with my foundation. Wow, there was a lot of foundation there. I'm going to go in with two different colours. So that is a dark one, obviously, and this is the lighter one. They are both little samples from Estee Lauder Double Wear that I'm just using up, and I can't remember what colour they are, so that's very helpful. I've just put loads on, Jesus Christ. Just going to go in with a Real Techniques Expert face brush and blend them together. So rubbish at preparing for anything. I never plan anything. I never want to plan anything. I can't be bothered. I just wing it every time. Right, oh. Right, so I let that settle in. Just for a few minutes. And put foundation over my bottom lip. I think I'll go and get the concealer actually. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer and another Real Techniques flat. This is the 301. Get that in there. Concealer faces. In the bedroom. No, I'll get it for you in a bit. You don't need it now.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm being my Harlequin. I am Harlequin. Tickle tickle.
Tickle tickle? Don't tickle tickle me. No. Oh no, look.
Oh, my hair's really tickly. It's still sticking up.
Huh? It smells nice, that hair dye. Yeah. Right.
Nice.
Going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Highlight. So I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush and that first colour. What? What?
Think about these.
No, I'm a black cat, not a. Just going to go above the
She's going to be a
crease.
white cat. Black cat. Black cat or white.
And then a darker one. Let me get a angled brush. I'm just going to go in with that. What am I going to go in with? That dark brown.
So I'm just using that brown eyeshadow just to map out a really elongated cat eye shape, and making my inner bottom tear duct longer and pointing downwards. So I'm changing the whole shape of my eye, but just mapping it out at the moment so I can get a general gist of what I am going for.
Here it is. Yeah.
You've got the hair down the wrong side.
Yeah, no, I thought so. Don't matter, does it?
You got the heart on the right side though.
What? Is the heart on the pink side or not on the blue side?
No, it's on the
Blue side.
No, it's on this side, but of course you got the wrong
Yeah,
one.
but on the blue side or the pink side?
There.
On the pink side. Oh well.
And I seem to completely forget to tell you what I'm doing here. So basically I'm just using a gel eyeliner pencil and I'm popping that on my eyelid,
No.
blending it out, and then popping some more on. So we're just doing a smoky eye, but a big smoky eye.
Well, I've got Lucille.
Try if I can get a leather coat.
Just gonna go in with a little fluffy brush and the black. Start.
So I'm going in little by little with that black eyeshadow, just patting it on to where we already laid down our base of our gel liner. So little by little, packing it on and blending it out gently, not higher than my eyelid, my crease. But we are going to get right into that inner corner and bring that down and up into that wing. And then don't worry if you're a little bit messy, you go over your pre-drawn lines, as it were. Just grab a makeup wipe and just sharpen that line how you would like it. You can then just go in with your foundation brush again or sponge, whichever you use, and just retouch up that foundation as it's needed. Simple. Then I'm just going to go in with a little more precise brush, a little flat top one, and really define that inner corner. So bringing it right down. I'm going to use that same brush just to define the bottom eye line shape as well. So just loading on a teeny tiny bit of the black eyeshadow and mapping that out as well, just very, very, very gently. It's like a stiff, short shader brush. Oh, I'll get it out in a second.
Where's that white liquid liner?
So just using that white liquid liner from NYX, and I'm going to define the inner corner, the new inner corner.
Okay, and I'm going to use the bib in Paradise. So any highlighter, and first of all, you want a little plastic thing. Oh. You want a light. That's too pink. I don't want that. I have to go with Vacation.
So I'm going to use that highlighter to highlight, to emphasize some chubby, like, cheeks. What is that on a cat? His, like, chubby, lippy, cheeky things. You know what I mean.
And then I'm going to go back in with the Shade and Light. Just with that middle. And I'm going to draw
Mummy, can I pick that up from here?
no.
You're driving to our house.
Yeah, I've got to do her makeup. Map out my little cheeks. Right, then we're going to go back in. I'm going to go in with the darkest. And do splodges.
So I'm going to use my black face paint and a little detailer brush, and we're just going to draw around each of those splodges that we did with our darkest highlighter shade. Just going around with 3 little C's around each of those splodges. And then just adding some extra detail of just a few little extra markings just in between those, some smaller ones. I'm also going to use that black face paint just to redefine and make the eye shape a lot sharper. And then into my cheeky area, just dotting on some of that black face paint to represent where my whiskers are. And then we're just going to do 3 quick wipes of the face paint to make my whiskers. Going in and drawing a cute little nose for my cat. I'm kind of thinking my nose turns out a little bit like a dog's nose rather than a cat's nose, but you know, it is what it is. It's a nose, a little black nose. And then I'm going to draw a line down from my little cat's nose down to my lip, only halfway down along my philtrum.
Okay. Oh. Right. Like liquid lipstick. Really, dog?
Just painting that top lip. I'm not defining any kind of cupid's bow or anything like that. We're just going to do a whole round so it looks like a perky little cat lip there. And then I'm going in with a little eyeliner brush and some of that liquid lipstick, and I'm just doing like the cat's smiley face. I get a little bit overly carried away with the lipstick, and in a minute you'll see what I end up like. But it is what it is. I wish I left it how this is.
You know.
Hi, cat.
Huh?
I said hi, cat. Hi, cat.
Meow.
Do your purring noise. Lovely cat.
Okay, so I've popped on some lashes and a nude lipstick on the bottom lip. It's still drying, so I'm trying not to get it everywhere. Popped my ears on, little sassy high ponytail, and I've got my onesie on, so I'm going to be nice and warm. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that. That was a and I'll see you all next time. Bye!